Hi class, welcome back to another English lesson. How are you guys doing today? Is everything doing okay? How was your guys' day? Good? Yeah, mine is good too. I'm looking forward to a very good lesson today with you guys. So, as a warm-up, let's just think back to what we were studying last time we met. What was it? What did we study about? Yes, we learned the ABC. Okay, and do you guys remember there was a song that we were singing last class? Do you guys still remember? Yeah? Good. Okay, let's sing that song again, okay? To remember the ABC, okay? So, how did it start? So, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Yeah, good. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing along with me? Okay, now, let's do it again. Everyone sing with me as loud as you can, okay? Let's do it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing along with me? Okay, very good, guys. Okay, so let's now just review each letter one by one. So, do you guys know which one is the letter S? Where? This one? Yes, that's good. Okay, which one is the letter V? Is it this? No. This? Yep, here, right here. Which one is the letter Q? Good, that one. What letter does the word rabbit start with? R, yeah, and which one is the letter R? Which one is it next to? The letter R is next to Q and S, right? So it's right here. Okay, very good, guys. Okay, so today's class is going to be about body parts. And we're going to learn how to write down our body parts using the ABC. Okay? So, do you guys know what our body is? What body is? Yes, this is our body. Everything that we have. And the body has parts. Okay? Can you guys tell me any body parts? Or can you guys show me some body parts? Okay, yeah, the arm, yeah, good, arm. Okay, what else? Yes, we have a leg. We have legs. Good. We have a head. Yeah, we have a nose. Very good, very good. Okay, what else do you know, guys? What else? Okay, yeah, we have fingers. Oh, we have a belly, tummy. Yeah. Okay, yeah, so very good, very good. These are our body parts. So today's class is going to be about body parts. Okay. Okay, just a review, how do we write body parts? Can you spell it? So what is this letter? B. Let's spell the whole thing. B, O, Okay, so once again, today I brought you a little song which will help us remember our body parts. So I want you guys all to stand up and let's form a little circle around me. For this song, you will have to be moving a little bit. It's going to be a little bit of an exercise, okay? So, come around me in a circle. Very good. Okay, and we're going to sing. So the song goes like head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. The toes are on your foot. These are your toes. The knees are on your legs. These are your knees. And the shoulders are right here. These are your shoulders. So for this song, you will have to go head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Okay, and now here's going to be a little change in the song. Okay, so it goes like eyes and mouth and ears and nose. Okay, so your eyes, these, and then mouth, okay, then ears, these, and then nose. So eyes and mouth and ears and nose. Okay, and then once again at the end we do head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Okay, so let's do it again, just very slowly. Okay, head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, eyes and mouth and ears and nose, head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Okay, once again, head, everyone sing with me, and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, eyes and mouth and ears and nose, head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Okay, now let's try it a little bit faster, okay? Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, eyes and mouth and ears and nose, head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Okay, faster. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, eyes and mouth and ears and nose, head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Okay, yeah, so when you're doing it faster, it's getting very, very difficult. Okay, so let's play a little game. Let's play a game where the person who makes anyone who makes a mistake is out. Okay, so you really have to pay attention. You really have to be careful where you're pointing, because if you don't do it right, then you're out. And the person who stays in for the longest time is going to win. Okay? Alright, so let's start just slowly at first, and we're going to go faster and faster. Okay? So, head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, eyes and mouth and ears and nose, head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Okay, a little bit faster. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, eyes and mouth and ears and nose, head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Okay, faster. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, eyes and mouth and ears and nose, and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Okay, Robert, I saw that you point it at your mouth instead of your nose. Okay, so fortunately for this round, you have to be out. But we will play this game again. We will play this game again, and you guys will have the chance to try again, okay? But right now, please, just everyone who is out, go back to your seat. We will play this game again, but for now, this is going to be it. But, okay, so 4 more people are in. 4 more people are in, so let's continue. Okay, head and shoulders, knees and toes. Okay, sorry, I'm out, but continue. Knees and toes, head and shoulders, knees and toes, eyes and mouth and ears and nose, head and shoulders, knees and toes. Okay, Jessica, you're out. Okay. Shoulders, knees and toes. Okay, and we have a winner. Yay! Clap your hands for David. David is our winner. Yay! Okay, guys, now please go back to your desk, take a seat, and we're going to learn how to write these body parts using the ABC. So I drew Bob up on the board. Bob is going to present his body parts to us, but we're also going to use our body parts to understand what he is showing us. So Bob, how do you spell Bob? B-O-B. Okay? So, how was this song that we were singing? So the first one was head, right? This is the head. So head is written this way. So how do we spell head? H-E-A-D. Very good, very good. Okay, the next one, so our head, this is our head. What is our shoulders? The next one was shoulders. So we are like head and shoulders. So shoulders, Bob, these are Bob's shoulders. So shoulders is both of the shoulders. One shoulder, 2 shoulders. One shoulder, this is the other shoulder. If you're just talking about one shoulder, then you don't say the S at the end. If you're talking about both shoulders, then you say the S at the end. It's plural. So, how do you spell shoulders? S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R-S. Yes, very good, guys, very good. This is a tough word, hard word, very long. Okay, so the next one. Head and shoulders, knees. Okay, the knees are right here. Knees. So the way you write knees, once again, this is plural because you have 2 knees. If you're just talking about one, you say knee. Okay? How do we spell knees? K-N-E-E-S. Very good, very good. And then we have the toes, right? So the toes are these. How many toes? These. How many toes do you have? 10. You have 10 toes. Okay, so these are the toes. How do we spell toes? T-O-E-S. This is just one toe. If you're just talking about one of the 10 toes, then it's toe. If you're talking about 2, that's already toes. Okay. Then, how did the song continue? Eyes, right? So these are Bob's eyes. This is one eye, these are two eyes. So how do we spell eyes? E-Y-E-S. Okay? Alright, so, what was this? That's the mouth, okay? Mouth. Okay, I wrote up mouth here. Look at it really carefully. You will have an exercise with all the words that I've written up. Okay? So we don't have to spell it right now. Just listen very carefully. So what is this? What is this? This is the nose. The way you write nose is this. What are these? These? These are the ears. The way you write ears is this. Okay, what is this? Bob's. It's his hair. So, the way we write hair is like this. Okay, what is this? What are these? Yeah, these are our hands. So this is how you write hands. What are these? Yep, these are our arms. So that's how you write arms. This is how you write arms. What is this? This is a difficult one. This is a new word we're going to learn. It's the elbow. And this is how it's written. What is this? This is Bob's tummy. Okay. And what is this? This is, one of them is the foot, but if we're talking about both, then it's feet. Okay? So foot is just one, and feet are both. And this thing, this whole thing, is one leg. And these two, if we're talking about both, then they are legs. Alright, so these are Bob's body parts. So, now that Bob has shown all of his body parts to us, and we can see his body parts, let's just play a little game called Bob Says, okay? And in this game, if I say Bob says, touch your head, then you have to touch your head. Okay? And if I don't say Bob says, before I say touch your head, then you shouldn't touch your head. You should stay as you are. Okay? You don't do anything. Okay, so let's start. Bob says, touch your hands. Bob says, touch your knees. Okay, yeah. Bob says, touch your feet. Good. Bob says, touch your nose. Now touch your mouth. No, you shouldn't touch your mouth. Don't touch it mouth. Don't touch your mouth. Okay. Bob says, touch your ears. Both of our ears. Okay, yeah. Bob says, touch your tummy. Good. Bob says, touch your shoulders. Yeah. Now touch your elbow. Now touch your elbow. No, don't touch it. I didn't say Bob says. Okay. Now touch your arm. Bob says touch your arm. Okay, this is the arm. Bob says touch your legs. Okay, very good. Very good, guys. Okay, now I would like you to get into pairs. find your pair. I'll give you half a minute to find a pair that you would like to work with. Okay? Okay, time is up. Did everyone find their pair? Okay, very good. And so, together with your pair, I would like you to do an exercise. So you see Bob's body parts, and I've written down the body parts for you. So your task is to ask a question from your partner about one of these body parts that I've written on the board. Okay, so you have to ask your partner, how do you spell, and then you have to choose one of the body parts. For example, how do you spell eyes? And then your partner will say E-Y-E-S. So he will spell the body part. Okay, so I would like you guys to choose 3 each. Every single person in the pair. So both of you guys should be spelling at least 3 body parts. Okay? Okay, so time is up for this exercise. Was everyone able to do 3, to spell 3 of the words? Of the body parts? Yeah? Okay, Jessica, how do we spell tummy? Okay, yeah, so T-U-M-M-Y. Okay, David, how do we spell head? H-E-A-D. Yes, very good. Okay, Robert, how do we spell nose? And E. Yes, very good. Okay, and class, just together, how do we spell shoulders? The most difficult one. S-H-E-R-S. Yes, very good. Okay, Valerie, what is the difference between foot and feet? Foot is just one, and feet are both of our feet. Okay, very good. Alright guys, so now that we know all of the body parts, and we know how to write them down, and we've practiced writing them down, let's play a little game. I have these 2 markers right here. I have a red one and a blue one. Okay, and let's say that this part of the class is part of the blue team, and this half of the class is part of the red team. Okay, so both teams have 1 marker. Okay, the red team has the red marker, and the blue team has the blue marker. Okay, and the task will be to write down correctly as many body parts as you can in the next 5 minutes. Okay, and only one person can write down, only one person can come to the board at one time. So one person from each team can come up and use the marker to write down the word. You must write the word correctly, and you can only use the same word, or you can only use a word once. And at the end we will count how many different body parts you were able to write down correctly on the board. Okay? So, yay! The red team won! But they won by just 1 point. So it was very close. Very good job, guys. Very good job. Everyone was very good. Okay, yeah, guys. So we studied about body parts today. We've learned a little song, and we played some really fun games. We learned how to write the body parts down. we learned how to spell them using the ABC that we learned in previous class. And for the next class, as a homework, I would like you to think about what we can do using each of these body parts. Let's say, for example, what you can do with your eyes. You can see with your eyes, right? So I would like you to think about these activities that you can do with each body part. And at the beginning of next class, I'm going to ask what you can do, what you came up with as an activity for these body parts, okay? So thank you for your attention. It was a lot of fun, and see you next class, all right? Thank you guys.